Good evening and welcome to NewsLink Indiana Quick Hits. I'm Sage Driver. The governor of Illinois, Bruce Rauner, says he wants to, quote, rip the economic guts out of Indiana. On Monday, the governor told the Chicago Tribune that he plans to take Hoosier jobs as part of his turnaround plan. He also told the newspaper he is one of the baddest enemies anybody can have, and that he wants to see results. Rauner's threats are part of a long feud between the two states. In 2011, the Indiana Economic Development Corporation started a campaign that targeted Chicago businesses. The campaign was led by billboards asking if they felt, quote, annoyed by higher taxes. In response, a spokeswoman for Mike Pence said Indiana will put its low corporate taxes and credit ratings up against any from those of other states. An HIV-positive Ohio man was accused of sexually assaulting 3 girls. He has pleaded not guilty to the 19 counts on Monday. The 27-year-old Keith Allen of Columbus pleaded not guilty to the charges, including rape, felonious assault, and gross sexual imposition. Allen is accused of raping 2 12-year-old girls and fondling another. Prosecutors say one of the girls is pregnant. He could face a life sentence if he is convicted. A Muncie man is in the Delaware County Jail today on the charges of dealing meth and dumping controlled substance waste. Police said when they arrested him, he was in effect a mobile meth lab. A city police officer said he was watching Kenneth Ray Shepard II early Friday morning. Shepard was riding a bicycle and pulling another. Behind him, when the officer was questioning Shepard, he seemed increasingly nervous. After the officer received permission to search his backpack, the officer smelled a strong chemical odor consistent with meth. Meth production. The state police meth suppression was called to the scene. Items found inside the bag included 1 pot meth generators, empty containers of lighter fluid, an empty bottle of drain cleaner, and used coffee filters. And that's it for your NewsLink Indiana Quick Hits. Be sure to stay tuned in NewsLink Indiana tonight and every night at 9 p.m. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. For everyone involved in NewsLink Indiana, I'm Sage Driver. Have a wonderful night.